So you can see. So now I'm going to make a slant. And I'm going to apply gum here, then stick this. Place this. So now this is what we call a pillow box. So during an occasion now, you want to serve your chin chin, your groundnuts, and you want to place, you can't just place it in here, place it in, or popcorn, anything, just to like keep your guests mouth watery. Just put it in, then just close it. You see, this is our pillow box. And again, you can decide to make this in any color of your choice. In any color of your choice. Let's say the theme of the wedding now, let me say you're organizing a wedding, and the theme of the wedding, the color, it's a pink theme. So you can decide to like make your pillow box in pink color. Decide to make your pillow box in pink color. So this is how it looks like. You just slide in whatever you want inside, close it in, close it in like this. Then also you can decorate this with a ribbon. Make sure when you tie your ribbon, tie it very beautiful. Make sure. So this side looks like, so now you can just serve this now.